Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is currently 7:59. It's almost 8 p.m. guys, and I'm super duper tired today. I just don't feel like I can go on for any longer, so I'm gonna call it a night early. And I want to show you in this video, as you must have already seen the title of this video, how I remove my makeup and my nighttime skincare routine. The first product I use is this. Currently, as you can see, I have used quite a bit of this, but this is the Conscious Chemist Daily Dissolve. I will tell you the packaging is horrible. Wait, as you can see, it takes the first pump to come out is that is so difficult. And can you see I have like makeup on, I have like mascara on, and the thing is that this does help to remove the makeup. It's like this oil, and there are many things that you can use other than like this oil to sort of remove your makeup. Also guys, when you are removing your makeup, make sure that you press your eyelashes, because you want your mascara to come off too. I try my best, although many a times reh jata hai mascara, I can't do anything. The only thing is you get panda eyes. And whenever I get mascara around my eyes, I remember my mom, because she used to make so much fun of me for having a say panda eyes. She used to call me a panda. Because whenever I used to put a lot of kajal at one point, and she used to keep saying like panda eyes, panda eyes. Yeah. So anyways, you just want to really get in and rub your skin. Now guys, if you don't have this and you want to still use something, use coconut oil. Coconut oil से इतना अच्छे से निकलता है ना your makeup, so definitely something worth trying. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some water and splash that over my face and use a face wash. Now guys, for your reference, I have used this face wash. This is a lactocalamine face wash, and this is the one that I have been using for quite some time. It's almost over. I actually saw a reel wherein there's one girl and she spoke about this particular face wash being really good for oily skin, which is why I got this face wash. And honestly, it's a real, if you have oily skin, this face wash is really good. Of course you have to patch test guys, क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है, what suits me might not suit you, and what suits you might not suit someone else. So it's always good to do a patch test. But this has kaolin clay and niacinamide, which makes it really good for oily acne prone skin. Now after that, I am using this face serum. It's a nice hydrating serum. It has niacinamide, alpha butane, glutathione, and vitamin C. But honestly, I use this for hydration because I think this hydrates my skin really, really well. So yeah, those active ingredients also, yes, they are beneficial. But even if I had something else which could hydrate my skin, like a toner or whatever, I would use that. Like I told you, the purpose I am using that this face serum is only and only for hydration. Can you just see how my face looks? Just so hydrated, right? And then to top it up, a moisturizer. The one I'm using is from Moleculair, their barrier repair moisturizer. Okay, that's what I'm using. Again, any moisturizer is fine. Anything that's good for your, which has ceramides in it is what I recommend. And I'm just using this one because I love it. And it's a really good moisturizer. But I have one more which is from Fixterma. That is good too. I think I should make a video about like serums and moisturizers I like to use, because I just realized as I'm making this video, I don't have a video which I can tell you guys, go and watch this. In this, I have spoken about a couple of good moisturizers. I will work on that and I will soon make that video. But yeah, that is what I apply. And then a lip balm. Now for lip balm, I'm using this lip balm which I have made, but you don't have to use this one. Any lip balm is okay. Even Vaseline, if you apply that night, it is good, you are good to go. So that is my nighttime skincare. I have different days ka different nighttime, skincare routine. So this is like when my skin is just feeling okay and nice, but my skin is dry and I want to hydrate it and I want it to repair overnight. This is what I do. I also have days when I exfoliate. I also have days when I apply different products. So yeah, this is my type 1 is what I'm going to call it, my type 1 skincare nighttime routine. I hope this video helps. I will link all the products in the description box so you can go check them out. And let me show you the time, okay? Really how much time it is. 8:06. Can you see? It is 8:06. So we literally did this in what, 10 minutes, I guess, 10-15 minutes. But yeah, and that is after I have been talking to you so much and all of that. Otherwise, I have all my products with me in the bathroom. I do it in literally 5 minutes and I'm off to bed. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video helps. I'll see you very soon in my next one tomorrow. So bye bye.